Okay, YouTube. Hope you guys been out there building shit. So, with this Baja Phoenix, I have not been able to find a whole lot of information on the wiring harness. I did find a picture, but I couldn't blow it up big enough to even read it or understand it. And it was not color. As you see, wiring harnesses have many colors. So, is what I did. I grabbed some clippers and a razor blade, and I started cutting off the outside insulation and the tape. And is what I am doing is finding components that I know I need, such as the coil plugs, and following the wires down to the next plug, So I'm going to do that with the CDI. I'm going to use the stock plugs, the stock wires. I'm going to do it with my ignition coils. I'm going to do it with the rectifier regulator, which there's got to be plugs around here. Okay, YouTube. This looks like the pile of trash. This over here looks like everything that I'm keeping. Which pile would you rather on your bike? Which is easier to understand? And people wonder why we bob and chop our bikes. So, this goes to the CDI, comes down to coils. We got this, goes into the regulator rectifier. We got this plug. It goes to the starter solenoid. This goes up to the regulator rectifier. I think this goes to the battery. Saved another red hot wire for between the battery and the ignition.